Hi everyone and good afternoon. I am back with another entry for the April-May Subbie challenge. I have had 2 arrive this week, so it's all very exciting. And this is from the wonderful Pinky Noble. So look at these here that we have got. Now, let me pull them out and show you what we have here. Now, I'm not sure excuse me, what section they all fit in. Let me just, she sent me a lovely card which actually says them, and let me show you what we've got, and then we can have a look at what section. So I can guess this one is for the something blue. And look at these lovely, gorgeous, oh look at this, how cute is that? There's 2 of those, and there's these lovely flower appliques there, some gorgeous lace, some, oh look at that blue cord, oh, it's very lush, isn't it? Oh, some beautiful decorative trim here. Lots of something blue here. Oops, let's just put that there. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh dear. Oh, I do not know. Look at this one as well. That is very pretty. Oh, I love that. That is just gorgeous. Oh, so much thought gone into these entries. I am so touched by everyone's efforts that they are putting into this challenge. I did set a big one this time. Oh, look at this gorgeous photo. 1955. So this is obviously something old. How adorable is that? Oh, that is just beautiful. That is, I love it. I love it. I love it. Love it. And then we have, look, something old. So this is a Primo Savings Bond. 1978. Looks, it's got a date there. Look. I love old things. Let's have a look what we've got in here. Oh, I think this is Pinky's letter. Right, something old is the photo and the savings bond, which we have those. Loved theme is the Valentine's card. So we've got a Valentine's card there as well. And 3 pieces of paper stationery. So we've got this gorgeous, oh look, it's fairy wedding. It's a fairy wedding. How cute is that? Oh, that is so lovely. And then we have some gorgeous love stationery. Look. Oh, how beautiful are these to use in a journal. Look at these. Oh. And now these 3 remain: faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love. Oh, I love it. Let us love one another because love comes from God. Oh, aren't these gorgeous? And this lovely love stationery. Wow, lots of yummy pages for my journal. Put them there. And then obviously we've got the bride and groom, which is the image of the fairies, which is this one here. That's, oh, I just love it. Just gorgeous. Handmade is a card. Oh, look at this envelope. How she's decorated this envelope up. A little butterfly, and even the back. Oh, I love that. See, I just love to be inspired by you all. And look at this gorgeous card that Pinky has made. Oh, and the butterfly inside as well. That is just gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And then obviously we've got flowers, which were the appliques, lace, 2 kinds of lace, and something blue, excuse me, which is the cord, and 2 kinds of fabric. And look, she's even wrote me a letter, and I noticed that it's on cat stationery. Look. We're licking his paws. How cute is that? She has the neatest handwriting I've ever seen, and she wrote me a lovely letter. She has just beautiful handwriting. OMG, I am so envious of her beautiful handwriting. Just absolutely lovely. I mean, look at her beautiful handwriting. Look at that. I wish I could write that neat. Just gorgeous. Look how neat her handwriting is. Just beautiful. Right, okay, so that is Pinky's entry. It is just phenomenal, as are all of yours. So I'm just going to pause it for a minute and add up the how many points she gets for how many entries. Right, okay, so I have totaled up all of the items and everything that Pinky has sent, and I am going to award 50 entries for her, 50 points, so 50 entries into 50 entries for her. So I'm going to put your name in the book is what I was trying to say. So all of these have been added up, and there are 50 points going to you, Pinky. So thank you for your wonderful entry. Honestly, I love you all, and I think that you're doing such a great job here. I know there's a couple more on the way. Cannot wait for them to arrive. So I'm going to love and leave you, and I shall see you all very, very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.